everyone, Hobby Box Break here. Do me a favor, hit that like and share button and leave us a tweet at Hobby Breaks. We're on Twitter, so hit us up at Hobby Breaks. If you haven't done so already, hit that bell right there in the bottom right-hand corner. When you do, I'm going to get you to subscribe to our channel and let you know every time we do a cool Hobby Box, Pack 10, Blaster, Digital Wax Break, or just an oddball Wednesday. Today, we've got the AEW Wrestling Blaster Box. We have not done AEW before, and we tried to get a couple of these and didn't have any luck, but locally, we found these at a card shop, and we figured, you know what, we're gonna pick up two of these and see what these look like. We haven't seen these before. Before I get to that, you know what you gotta do. Leave me a comment. When you do, I'm gonna get you entered into two drawings. That's right, two drawings. One for our monthly giveaway, which is a 10 filled of number cards, parallel cards, relics, and autographs. And two will be for this flawless briefcase giveaway. This sucker stuffed full of number cards, parallel cards, relics, sapphire cards, graded cards, printed cards, sketch plates, 101s, and a whole bunch of autographs. Because with every break that we do, we don't throw in one, we throw in two. That's right, two autographs. And today, I'm going to be throwing in a sparkly bedazzled parallel from the WWE series and a numbered Jeff Hardy defeats Sheamus in an Intercontinental Championship tournament match, along with our two autos of Kendrick Perkins and Spencer Adams. These two autos and wrestling parallels are going into the flawless briefcase. If you want a chance of that, all you got to do is just leave a comment, and then you're entered into those drawings. All right, let's see what we get from AEW. There's a lot of parallel stuffs in there, so maybe we get something. All right. Here we go. AEW. I'm excited. I have not... Yeah, I've heard some good... These are nice looking cards. We'll see. First pack. Let's see what we get here. Okay. Nice glossy sheen to it. All Elite AEW Wrestling Magazine. Matt Hardy, most dangerous man in AEW. Pretty nice. Alex Reynolds. Sammy Guevara. MF9 main features Dax Hardwood. Then we got a gold one main features. It's a parallel. First edition 2021 Upper Deck AEW. MF17. One's gold, one's silver. Okay. All right, so gold parallel, silver parallel, I guess. Inner Circle, Santana and Ortiz. Nick Jackson, Jack Hager. Some decent looking cards. Trent. So we got a parallel in here. Paul Turner. They got a ref in here. All right. Well, let's read the ref. A senior official. It's Paul Turner's job to keep a sharp eye out for rules infractions and protect the health and safety of every competitor that steps into an AEW ring. Okay. That one's good. I like it. Chuck Taylor, John Silver, Magazine, AEW, is that a parallel? Nope, it's a regular one. Main features, Silver, Ricky Starks. Got a tag teams, Dax Hardwood and Cash Wheeler. And we got a pack. Does this look like a parallel? Look like a gold card to you or something? Looks like a regular card. Guys, if you're familiar with the AEW and I missed something, you gotta let me know in the comments. AEW pack parallel. Super bedazzly card there. Much like the sparkle cards in the WWE boxes that we do. Darby Allin. There's Isaiah Cassidy. Ooh. Looks like we got a Miro canvas card. That's right. Upper Deck likes to do these canvas cards. And a main features Sean Spears. The Blade. Jake Roberts. And Kenny Omega. The odds real quick. Black parallel numbered to 10. So we got numbered cards. Exclusive parallels. Okay. Dynamite parallel. All right. Ooh, we got something. We got something. Tag teams, Luca Brothers. The Nightmare family is adding a new member. Dun, dun, dun. Main features, Colt Cabana. And we've got, looks like a Wednesdays in Actions Cash Wheeler. It's like a weird type of, it's kind of like a, I don't know how to explain it. It's like a shadow box card. That's what it is. It's a shadow box card. It's kind of clever how they did that. So we got a shadow box card, Cash Wheeler. Wednesday in Action. We got a Cassidy card. FTR tag teams. Sammy Guevara. And we've got a Roads to Success parallel. Okay. Stu Grayson. Cash Wheeler. AEW Hikaru Shida's path from Japan to AEW Women's Glory. And a John Moxley. John Moxley. Bedazzling parallel. Sammy Guevara, the Inner Circle's best kept secret. Is he though? Is he though? Moxley. A gold main features Ray Kenix. Gold parallel. Main features silver parallel Hangman Adam Page. Mark Quinn. Okay. Tribute Mr. Brody Lee. And Tully Blanchard. Looking menacing there, Tully. Ray Fenix soars above the competition. Jungle Boy. He looks interesting. Billy Gunn. We got Dr. Britt Baker. Joey Janela. And we've got a Scorpio Sky main features card. And an AEW magazine, Chris Jericho, inaugural AEW World Champion. Parallel. Interesting. All right, last pack. Let's see what we get. Dax Harwood. Got the Young Bucks there. Powerhouse Hobbs. Jim Haas Rouse. I don't know if he's called Haas Rouse. Dr. Britt Baker. Marshall. And we got main features Chris Jericho. And a canvas card of Colt Cabana. Deck canvas card. Huh. What do you guys think? Hit or miss? You guys liking the tops better? Or what do we got going on? What do we think here? AEW. A couple of gold cards in here. Road to Success. Some different variants of parallels in here. We didn't get any number cards. Maybe next box. But let me know what you guys think in the comments, and more hobby box breaks coming up. Thanks, everyone.